my name is Yana and today I will introduce you 3 belly dance movements that every woman should know. Let's go! Movement number 1. It's accent with your lower belly inside and outside, in and out. So first of all, we need to sit down a little bit, make your knees soft and make sure your lower back is inside. Yes, like this. This is the basic position of your back straight. So after that, we will help with our back side with the muscles, intense and relax your muscles. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. Just like this. Try it. Yes. Yes, try. Make sure your knees soft. Yes. Inside, outside. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, and try to do it a little bit faster. In and out. Yes, you can open your hands to the side and keep doing that. Inside, outside, inside, outside. This movement is very good for all your organs that inside the pelvic. So it's the best movement for women. Trust me. Yes, you can add a layering, like a little bit up and down, up and down, up and down, and keep doing the same movement. Let's go. Yes, up and down, up and down. Open your hands, check your body posture. Very good. And faster. Try to do it faster. Yes, do you feel? Do you feel something? If you do faster, remember that amplitude of your movement should be lower, right? Smaller. Movement number 2 that I would like to introduce today is a body weight. I have a shirt with body weight tutorial, but today I will explain more detail because I got a lot of questions from you how to do it. Can you explain it more detailed? So here we go. First, of course, we need to check our body posture, right? Back straight, lower back is inside, right? And we will start with our chest. So together with inhale, going up, front and up. Just like this. Try it one more time. You can help with your shoulders blade in the beginning to press it on the back, to push your chest front and up. This is the first part we need to learn how to do. Up, up, up. Try to do it for a few times until you make sure this movement is comfortable for you. And remember, inhale together with inhale. And a little bit faster. Up and down, up, down, up, down. Here you go. Good job. After that, second spot, what we need to do to learn is our belly part. After we put our chest up, second part is our belly. So now we need to do same with our belly. Put it forward. And chest will go back at the same time. So look how it's. Shoot. Look at my lower back. What do you see here? Is a curve, yes? Here is it. It's like this. This is just transitional part, so don't worry. Don't worry about this curve here. After we will close it with this way. So one more time. Chest, and now belly and chest going back. Hop. You see it? If you have any wall, even a mirror, anything is okay. You can come closer and do like this. Touch with your chest. After, touch with your belly. So in one time, only one part is touching the wall or the mirror. So if a chest, it's only chest touching. Belly is not. After chest moving back and only belly touching, right? After the belly will be the hips. So look one more time. Chest, belly. One more time. Chest, belly. One more time. Chest, belly. Chest, belly. This is a recording, so any moment you can pause it, find the wall or the door or the mirror and try to do it. It's very important to let your body understand how it works. Try. So I will imagine I have a wall here, okay, right now. So I will do chest. Chest is going back now and my belly is coming out. Belly. One more time. Chest, belly. 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 Another solution, you can imagine how you press with your chest down. Look, I pull it up and now this one I will press down. It will help also. Do it, right? With exhale together. Job. And the third, the last part, is our hips, of course. It will be the final part. So I show you first. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth, we just sit down and going back to our previous position. One more time. 1, 2, 3, coming back. So I suggest you to do inhale when you start with the chest and exhale should be longer. So exhale will be during your belly, hips and going back to the previous position, to the beginning. That will be your exhale. Inhale only on the chest, when the chest going up. Let's go. But my lower back is not out, right? It's inside. One more time. Press with your chest down, so it will help the air slowly coming out. Take out my hair. Don't worry about your head level, like jumping up and down. It's okay in the beginning. Important, learn this basic movement. Learn the technique, how to do it. You see, I can talk, I can do anything. I don't think. My body do it automatically. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. This is a very good movement. Very good for your back, for your belly, for your pelvic. Try. Focus on your belly and hips. You can put your hands here so you will feel your body better. Very good. And movement number 3. very important for women's health, for our breast. It's shimmy with your chest. How to do shimmy with your chest? You need to open your hands to the side and make sure your shoulder blades connect on the back, your shoulders pushing down, long neck, straight, right? And your chest is a little bit up. So for example, it's like around 75% up. This is my 100% and a little bit low down. Here's open and start work with your shoulders. You need to push it to the back, like this. Back, 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 back. And if you will do it faster, it will look like this. This is shimmy with your chest. Another solution, how to learn it. How to learn it. For example, imagine you want to turn and look to your back. Like this, right? Like this. Like this. Do you feel how is your upper body twist, right? Try to keep your hips in the same position, don't move it, and twist on the upper body and look back, back, back. I want you to feel this part and twist it. Twist, 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 twist. And now we will keep our head straight and only move our upper body with shoulders. Try like you want to look back, but don't turn your head. Back, 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 back. And try to do it a little bit faster. Back, 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 back. Remember, when you do it faster, the amplitude of the movement is smaller, right? I don't do it very big anymore. No, I do it small like this and faster. And try to breathe. And open your hands. My suggestion, when you open your hands, imagine that you put your palm on the table and it's glued up, so you cannot move it. Put it on the table and move your shoulders back with upper body. Yes, this is the big amplitude right now. I'm doing the big amplitude and slow. Here, back, 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 back. Yes, now we try to make it smaller and faster. And faster. Yes. You will feel your chest. It's very good for women's health. Keep going. Back, 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 back. Try to keep your hips and don't move it. But if it's moving in beginning, don't worry. Don't worry about it. You see, even my hips a little bit moving. You can see it here. And faster. Faster, 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 faster. Shake it. Yeah, very good. Shake it to the back. Go, hold on. You might feel a little bit intense in your shoulders right here. Keep doing, keep doing. I'm talking, you doing. But it's okay. You will have beautiful shoulders after. Try to hold it. Breathe. And smile. Very good. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe to our channel, Raqs Academy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.